Before we get into this episode, we'd like to give a special shout out to Sibebe Bafetu. We've got something big coming up. Stay tuned on your social media platforms for what Sibebe has been forever committed to. Bafetu big reveal drops on the 15th of May. Mhlaka 15 May Bafetu. Hashtag Sibebe Premium Lager. Hashtag our beer, our pride. Danko.
Awuthami-ke bengikhokha i-Riversell.
Okay.
Yabo sihlabathe emantini, I understand. Ngisikhokhe ngisilayishe elolini mina ngithengise. Kunawo ama-customer, you understand. Lokusho kona-ke awuthami ukuthi bangifolaphi-ke ngale freestyle. Bangifola ngibuya kwelayisha, you understand. Yabo. Ngithinwe blind ngikamukile sengibuya kweDilito yabo. So ukuthi MCO he grew up in church.
Okay.
You see. So I'm a believer, my brother. So everything is all there because of the Almighty, I will say. And then, so
when I just mentioning your crush, hey, shout out to Zban. Ungiyati yababona, phela sokuhamba emakikini. Who's your crush?
You. My brother, that's a huge question to ask out there. And then, bro, but she knows. Yeah, ngike ngafunza eVula Masango, my brother. I'm from Vula Masango.
Uyangibuta, ngiyakuphendula, namuhla, ngiyavuka, thula buka buso sula, tindlebe.
Superstar Rockstar Level Bafetu, welcome back to the biggest YouTube channel. Bafetu, nani nga subscribe. Pause this video right now. Subscribe, hit the notification button, comment. Most importantly, share this video. Bafetu, share it to everyone. Bafetu, let them know what's the biggest YouTube channel. It's back, it's parati. We inside, we are in the building. Bafetu, enjoy it before we get straight into it. Shout out to Cleary Store Bafetu. Check them out on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Bafetu, they're doing it big for the culture. Your favorite local brand. Iyatholakala khona. Njengoba nibona ke Bafetu namhla ngaphandle Bafetu siyibambile la kumahola la Bafetu the venue butchery lena Bafetu. Njengoba nibona la mva kwethu ziyakhala besicelile kuthi nangabe ufuna sifike aroundini yakho noma sifike ebusinessini yakho ye-establishment sitshele la ku-YouTube channel usendele nje i-text sitawushaya i-round thina because sitawushaya le tour all around the country la ufuna nje sitoshutha khona siyavele esikhaleni so siyabonga kakhulu namuhla ukuthi sihostile i-venue butchery la kumawalala nawe nawuthola isikhathi ungabashayela i-round Bafethu ziyakhala Bafethu sekasi namuhla and since isekasi i-guest yami lekunayo Bafethu Bafethu naye yablowa phekasi if you know what I mean. Naye wabhafekasi washaya ama-video la shaya boma-million views lapha ku-TikTok so lanibuta niphendvula and bensolo nimcela la kule episode so sende sinjalo ngoba niyati Bafethu umle nimcelako bese thina siyamletha yabo. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, MCO Jamrock is in the building.
yeah, man. Yes, sir. Mr. Vanello. Blessed, my brother.
How are you
man.
feeling, my brother?
I'm good, man. I feel great, man, to be here. I'm honored. Blessed.
Hhayi namhla sekasi namuhla.
Yeah, man.
Siceda soshisa inyama nasiceda.
Wola.
Ngikuthole kahle vele. Asinawo umjito wasekasi.
Wola, vele awuthami.
Yabo? Singangeni kakhulu nje yami. I'd like to congratulate you once again for making it to Bushfire labangati. Uya Bushfire awudlali.
Yeah, man.
You perform at Bushfire Festival, M10 Bushfire Festival. So, congratulations on that, my brother. How are you feeling? Style lapho nje. From i-journey yakho kucala kule video le yaba viral, nyalo kuthiwa you perform ku M10 Bushfire. You are international, mosinya.
Yeah, man. I feel great, bro. I'm happy, my brother. Yeah, it's great. So the feeling is huge. It's too much, and I'm humbled. I appreciate everything, man. From everyone who supported MCO Jamrock out there. You see, man. It's much love. I don't have much way to thank this, but I appreciate. It's a great feeling, man.
Shout out.
I appreciate. I'm humbled by it. I honor this feeling. I'm honored. So thank you, my brother.
Thank you, MCO.
Blessed.
So, impilo yakho njengoba ngisho from nayiblow up le video yakho lethi ngiyakubuta ngiyakuphendvula bekwendekani nongasathu usibeke kule situation bakukhanza kanjani nayiplana le video nabothi ishayela emalayini akho uchilele nemajite engoje kwendekani and impilo yakho ishintshe kanganani from le video leyo thunyana
mina ke
asicale kule video ukuthi bokwendekani kuze chamuke le video le monumental kangaka
yangasho ngithi a huge change happened my brother yabona yabo like excel ishintsho lelikhulu yabo so excel ngathini I was on my down level on my ground zekas yabo mina so I was hustling eKasi elokishini mina ngiphande elokishini ngathi ukuthi kuse ndawuhlanganisa kube ngimi lo wathi ukuthi kumele ngishayele bani yabo ngihlanganise yabo bangifola noma ngishayele freestyle le yami yabo bangifola ngibuya emphandweni kahle ngibuya kweLayishi River Sand mina ke out yami ke bengikhokha iRiver Sand yabo sihlabathe emandini understand ngisikhokhe ngisilayishe elolweni mina ngithengisa nginawo ama customer understand lokusho kona ke out yami ukuthi bangifola phi ke ngale freestyle bangifola ngibuya kweLayishi understand yabo ngithinwe blind ngikamkile sengibuya kweDelete yabo le mbona so ngithi ngithenga igawulo i-take away lapha ngasemarket yabo sengithi ngiyaphuma ngikhanze emajita lapha ekhoneni lapha on the spot yabo la kunemajita khona vele kuhlala ama-creatives yabo ngikhanze baya freestyle lapha banabo muzika yabona on mzion sport yabo so ba freestyle on a beat you understand yabo I be like Jamrock when I was passing by yabo I be like Jamrock would you jump on this one yabo ngibe like phela nokuthi music sengibushaya part time yabo angisasiki kakhulu music understand ngibe like yo ngifake beatini kanjalo understand ngibe like yo uyangibuta ngiyakuphemvula namuhla ngiyavuka like you understand I was just inspired by the beat you understand and then nga-inspirishwa i-rhyme lelula yekudlalisa amagama esiswati kalula mina ke so and only to find ukuthi it's a great feeling that touched people in this way like so I'm happy for this feeling like and music career wami ngibone ngayona le movement leyaba incane in a short moment understand so like I'm happy like so much has changed because music wami bevele ushoda ngemarketing like I was really lacking marketing understand so right now my music we distribute my DSPs understand in more platforms you find MCO Jamrock you see music is out there so and more music is gonna come out there so I'm gonna give the people what they want like I'm happy my brother a lot has changed like these are answers to my prayers like thank you
listen the chance no congratulations my brother ngiyamangala ukuthi that was a freestyle bongabhali nekubhala nathi ngiyakubuta bongabhali
bengakabhali it was a freestyle my brother like I just jumped on a beat bro so ngavele ngayigamula kanjalo like vele khula wise yangikhuthaza I was inspired by that simply rhyme so it was nice like only to find ukuthi ngikhokhe ekluphekeni kwami ngasho yeah I will say that like I'm happy I made this song qubuka nangilona uyaqubuka I'm happy my brother blessed
congratulations brother so nyala sithathe back Mr MCO
yeah man
ngovile uthi bokhokha sihlabathi emfuleni iRiver Sand
yes sir
MCO lo ngamade ngibani igama lakhe maybe lekutalwa uchamukapi ekukhuleni kwakhe bekafuna ufise kuba yini ukhulu uthanza ini bodlala ibhola nabantwana sithatha usibeke nje ekukhuleni kwakho nje uzufike nyalo ekubeni MCO
yeah my brother vele MCO nguye Mxolisi Christian Kambulu kahle lokhule khona lambabani understand lokhulele kuphi ke futhi futhi wami lokhulele khona emcashweni understand so like ngite ukuthi ngidawuthi ngikhulele ekhaya kanjani njani like my mother has been struggling with me for a long time from my birth, you understand? So I'm happy I have my mother, bro. So I will say ngikhulelela Mbabane namakwami emqashweni. And the thing is ngasho bro ngithi ngikhule ngiye eSomfela.
Okay.
You understand? So I loved singing from school, church, like everywhere, you understand? So ngasho ngithi ngikhule ngabe njengabo bonke bamfana. Ngidlala elokishini idiski, yabo, like nje. Ngasho ngithi ngikhulele ekhaya.
Ngokuphi lapho?
Last fashion.
Okay.
You understand? Yes, my brother Lambaba. Like ngasho ngithi I'm happy to what happened, and the thing is I want to thank my mother for the man I am now. Yeah, man.
Hey. So ngubani lombukako MCO na ukhula uinspiration ngubani musical ngoba ngakuva uPothanza kuhlabela ngisho Sonveni labanye bayamangala ukuthi hawo ijamane beliyeke. So ngubani music bokulalela bokubani lobo babuka maybe bala ekhaya noma ba international.
Ngikhule ngingilomuntu lothanda wonke music. I understand. Like I bengithanda wonke music. Yabo. Every nice song I used to listen from any genre. You understand? So I will say kakhulu I was inspired vele ka hip hop, rap, naga dancehall, reggae vibes.
Okay.
You understand? You understand?
Yeah.
So reggae vibes per se, you understand? Because Borasta bebana ngithanda le spirit sabo sekuba humble, you understand? So vele empilweni ngikuthatheke ngekuhlale utetisa sonke isikhathi, you understand?
Yes.
So ngasho ngithi wonke umuntu lonesimo sekutiphatha kahle empilweni bekangikhuthaza like umusic lo wakha sizotha lo wakha kutiphatha uyangikhuthaza like you understand. So I will say kude ukuthi ngakhula ngifuna kuba yini yabo like ukuthi from school ukuthi na ufunzela kuba ngidokotela or a teacher or yabo, but I always saw myself singing. I don't know, but I always saw myself singing as a big star. I always wanted to be a big star, singing on big stages. That's the truth that I can reveal right now. But from school, teachers, I used to lie to them and say, I want to be a doctor or a teacher. But right now I'm just feeling the pain that I used to lie back then. That I, with all the things that I wanted. So right now, I always wanted to be a star. I always want to be a singing star. Big star out there. So what happened right now, winning Firefly from me, it's a great feeling. And my brother, like, and it's a big feeling. Like I would say this is huge for me, you understand? So I'm humbled, like thank you. Thank you, Firefly, Pushfire, for this opportunity.
Yes.
Like, thanks a lot.
So my brother, leli gama lelisi MCO, Jamrock.
Yes, sir.
Kwalona liqhamuka ngaso sitshele igama lakho lekutalo. Lela Jamrock liqhamuka MCO Jamrock.
Yeah man, my brother. Like ngasho ngithi mighty conqueror, one who jams and rock. My lord, ngasho ngithi kufaka yonke lempo lengisho ukuthi MCO he grew up in church.
Okay.
You see. So I'm a believer, my brother. So everything is all there because of the Almighty, I will say. And then, so MCO, mighty conqueror, except the conqueror. The conqueror mighty except is the one and only. We all know that, except like I'm not doing this alone. Yeah, man. So That is what MCO means. Mighty Conqueror means. One who jams and rock. Because I jam and I rock, my brother.
Okay.
So I'm all for good jams and good rocks
Ach.
of music.
So make nguvubonga kakhulu mawakho. Usekhona yini and ufila njani yana nangabe usekhona?
Yeah, my mother is still there, my brother, like I said. She's still struggling. That is why, yeah, I feel like I still need to push hard. I still need to push hard. Like, she's still struggling there, you see. Yeah, like she was struggling while growing me up, my
Oh,
brother.
okay.
So I feel like there's a lot I need to do for her. Like, I feel like besides changing my life, I need to change my mother's life. Like, so that's the Lord. That's the only heavy duty that I have. Yeah, bro. Like, that's a task that
Yeah.
I need to take. Yeah, man.
So in terms of that, my siblings unawo yini? Nguwe wedwa
Yes,
kuma
my
kwakho?
brother. Okay, my brother, Gumago amazing too. Yeah, I have
Oh,
a
okay.
sister.
Okay. Hey,
Yeah. Shout out.
unasisi.
Yeah, man.
No ngiyabona. So
brother.
so nyalo le balance ke nyalo ngoba phela labanye njengoba usho ukuthi a lot has changed. Ungakhanza ukuthi labanye seba expect umphando wakho ukuthi libovu kuphanda nemajita nyofuna i-river sand in sekunjani nyalo ebanganini bakho bophila nabo sebakuthitha njani nyalo khona indlela shima seba expect ukuthi nyalo saluqhamuka ngemoto sebathini.
Yeah, for the ones who know me that much, they are expecting that they say grand or ganjan, as they are seeing the trend. But the thing is, yeah, those ones who know me that they say, who are positive enough, they are like, say, Chemrock, change my brother. They are not looking at anything that they say, but I haven't seen it that much. But like everyone is happy for me. Like I appreciate that. It's so much love, my brother.
So now indzaba yamzayoni icala njani kusebenzisa ngoba sihle sinibona namzayoni kwendekani simzayoni your manager is helping you nge-content kwendekani and nicale njani kusebenza?
My brother, Mzion is the man who stood there for MCO Chemro, you see. While they saw the trend on TikTok, most of them, they were like, it's a gimmick. So Mzion stood there just to take that out on people's mind that MCO Chemrock is not a gimmick. He's an artist, you see. So, like, for him believing in me, I thank him so much for that, my brother. Because I'm here where I am because of him. Because of Mzayoni, my brother, you see. So that is why you always see me always around him. Because he's the man who is behind the work of MCO Chemrock. I'm happy to have him, my brother. So, like, it's a big thing for me to have him. Like, you see, like, yeah, he was there for me.
Yeah,
From the start.
Shout out to Mzayoni. Nambe kazola ngihlupha all the time. Athi asende le shoot, so it's
Yeah,
been
man.
long overdue. Shout out to him. So asesingene la indzaba yakho ngakubona una Tony Diamond benendani na
Yes,
Tony
sir.
Diamond?
Yeah, man, my brother, I saw him at Limpopo University.
Oh.
Yeah, you see, so Limpopo.
Wathi ufuna collaborate kwenda ingoma nawe. Kwendekani? How far? How far?
We just mingled, my brother. Like we holla each other. Like I was happy to meet him there. So like we didn't talk much, me and him. Like the working part, he gonna sort it out with him, with my management.
Okay, yeah,
So like yeah, I was happy to meet him there, my brother. Like one music giant from SA. Like it was a big reaction, bro. Like I appreciated it. a lot. You understand? Like shout out there to the time, man. Blessed, like in the Excel, but like
Yeah.
it was the best moment. Like thank you, bro.
You're on top at the moment. You keep elevating all the time. Your music wako quality, my video wako quality,
Yeah, man.
stage presence. Nyalo, we perform the biggest festival we have in the country, the biggest festival we have in Africa.
Bless
So konke kwakho kuya elevator yini lesinga expect asikhathi sisaqhubeka usithembisani ngoba vele igraph yakho solinyuka. Maybe in
Like-
terms of collaborations, anything.
Like I will say, expect more, because I'm only about giving more and more. You see, like my brother, I feel like this is a long journey, so let us run. Yabo. Ngasho kanjalo nje ukuthi hayi baba wami siyagijima, asigijime. So angifuni sijaphise. We don't need disappointment
Yeah,
out here.
yeah.
Like as we are attempting push fire, so more fire is coming out there. We're gonna burn the house down. Like shout out. Yeah man, Vanilla, my brother. I'm happy to be there. I'm gonna give it up.
Siyabangena.
Alright.
Siyabangena. So now, indzaba ye collaboration.
Yes, sir.
Indzaba ye collaboration. Dayiceza drink yakho itawuphela phasi. Indzaba ye collaboration. Bobani bantu lofuna ku collaborate nabo. La eKangwane lofisa ukuba ne collaboration nabo. Maybe bangaba bala ekhaya noma bangaphandle.
90. I will say something is coming. Yes, something is coming. I don't want to spill the beans right now, but
Yeah.
the thing is, maybe a remix is coming
Ay!
of one song with one musician, one giant of here Eswatini, Ndakakho. I understand. So I just want to spare that for now. So
Awufunga ushanga exclusive.
it's gonna be a remix. So yeah, it's
Just perform like M10 Bushfire shots.
so like okay, I will say I will be collaborating with more artists of here, and I have one feature. Lisocha will be coming out soon with Slase and Snello, some other upcoming artists.
Okay.
Yeah, who are naturally musicians. So like I believe they are fire. So I'm willing to work with artists of this kingdom because I am from this kingdom, Eswatini, yeah man. So we're giving it out. So ngeswatsa ke futhi vele but I'm like more and more. I'm promising that more.
Siyabangena. Guys, please make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button. Nithatha ama-clip, share them everywhere. Siphakathi inside sila evenue butchery la kumahhola la sekasi ngichila namjito wasekasi lo upload phana ekasi njengoba sisho ukuthi sitshele ukuthi ufuna site kuphi at your establishment, at your business, stawufika thina the What's the Story podcast ready with the team noma ngabe ukuphi la veni laseSwatini will make sure ukuthi siyavela. MCO, back to you.
Yes, sir.
Listen, phela nyalo so superstar MCO. Ukhona yini make noma sisi MCO girlfriend?
My brother. Like I'm just singing out there. Right now I'm focusing on work, bro. Like I'm just sweating. I'm just focusing on work.
Phela sebadijika nyalo MCO akusafani naqala. Khona into kumscout noma into necrush naye umnika shout out nyalo umtshele ukuthi uyabuka ngoba mhlawumbe uyabukela, you never know. Lokambona labo sisibo Instagram noma emicimbini.
You, they are showing much love, my brother. But I will say,
Crush yakho.
No. Let us spare that, bro. You just sing it out.
Emzansi so superstar phela wena nyalo. Wena nje just mentioning your crush. Phela usho ukuthi shout out to zibani. Ungiyadi yababona phela sokuhamba emagigini.
Yeah.
Who's your crush?
You. Yo, my brother, that's a huge question to ask out there. And then, bro, but she knows. I would say she knows.
Uthe wathi njani ungamtsheli?
One day, one time. Right now, we're working out here at official MCO Chamber. Catch me out there. Bless.
Okay, is she a DJ? Is she a content creator? Usinike a hint.
Yo, my brother, I would say, I met one creativity. She is a creative. Sure. I would say, I was happy meeting her, and she's a musician. And I'll be like, oh wow, okay, cut them. I will tell you her name next time. But yeah, like I'm mingled with her. Yeah, like I was happy to meet her, like talking with her face to face. But yeah, like I say, maybe, yeah, more reactions gonna happen. We're gonna meet. Bro, so I won't say she's a crush. But she struck me with lightning. Like, I just want to see what's going on.
Fire.
Like, bless it. My brother.
Okay, kunale ngoma nayo lethi ke ngivuke kuseni ngiyosebenza igama layo ingoma leyo. Sengayidrop lo performile ku MTN Bushfire 5.
Yes, isebenza bhuti wami like yeah, it is coming soon after the EP, my brother. Like ngivuke kuseni ngiyosebenza. Yeah, mostly inspired I work. Working like I was working those days, but in a blockyard, I would say. You see, I was working in a blockyard, and I will wake up every day from Monday to Saturday. Only the Sunday, living off you see. And then my brother, like, while I was always waking up from the morning till 5 o'clock, you see. Nga 7, wofuma nga 5. Ngakhuthathwa ngile ngoma le ngivuke ekuseni ngiyosebenza.
Ngoba ngifunile ukuweba.
My brother. Like,
I love that song.
Yeah, I was questioning myself, why am I working this job? Why am I working here in this blockyard? Because it's a hard work, it's a hard working job. So I will motivate myself with this song. And I was concerned because I don't want to sit. Because when I sit, I will do my thing of kucabanga njenge-out yaselokishini. Kucabanga ukuthi imbolo lahlile phela out yami yabona. Nangisethile nje yabona. Manje utawugcina ukhanza uthayima sobona nalokhu lahlile. So manje ngalesikhathi
sobona ibhari lapha.
Sobona ibhari, sobona hola.
Thousands.
Angithola. Vele lapha yabona. Utawugcina vele lapha so setha lapha endovela. Yabo, tawukhala liketana sibari yabona. Yabona. Sashisa lapha vele songena lapha letanyana. Savele khela busuku nemini yabo. Manje sibari. So I made this song like akuvuke ekuseni ngiyosebenza. Yabo, ngoba ngifuna ukho. So like I'm happy.
Uke waba involved in vele nifente letibhayisana ke kasi.
Letibhayisana ke kasi. You know how we grow, my brother. Like we became not when we become not having those mindsets. We'll be like I mean, I'm time, I'm futhi bani ngangishishi yabo. But yabo, naloko ukuthi nje access bani yabo. Yeah, ngike ngafunza eVula Masango, my brother. I'm from Vula Masango High School, you see. So ngicathulela Mpumelelo, I finished new Mpumelelo High School. Yabo, la ngibhalele khona eNgwane Park i-final exam yami. You see. So like experience yami ekuba seVula Masango, you see. I told myself that I don't wanna experience this again. I don't wanna be in jail again, you see. Even though they will be like, we know how he is. He's gonna come back here because I was even that kind of hard nakhona evula amasango yabo. But yabo they were like maybe I will come back because like angiphumanga from 5, you understand? Yeah, evula amasango. So that's another story to tell. With how with ngaphuma njani evula amasango. So but yeah, it happened. I had a great experience of Lamasango choral music, you understand? So, like, shout out to Choco, Mhlobo, Team Cool, like you say, like, kufunza khona experience choral music, yeah. I gained a lot of strength and some kind of more experience on attacking music. So la mano nje bo do re mi fa sol la ti do do ti la so fa mi re do like yeah no you see. So I was happy for that experience obviously. So like my brother yeah, my young man said I don't want it anymore.
Okay.
Like I'm just happy. Yeah, I've changed, like you say, and my life is driving me to music, my pathway, you know, like the pathway that I feel like I was dreaming of, the music genre career, bro. Like, yeah, I'm happy, bro.
So ngalo ukuthi le podcast
Yeah,
also kumcwa kakhulu kurehabilitator
yeah.
ukuthi abantu bashintshe because we are
Yes,
more
my
about that
brother.
and manje
Yes,
sine
my brother.
entertainment but sisazama nalokufundisa.
Yeah, man.
So kulo ukuthi
Bless her.
usho ukuthi bomfana longeve khuleni nezinto bodenda letikubhayizisako.
Yes, man.
Yini bomcoka bekuthi at some point ungumvulo omusha nomvulo omncane ube siyashintsha ndayishiya lento leyo yini bongoti bako nebuhle lobonako nyalo ukuthi udibona ngawo kuphi if awusithathanga leso sinqumo bomcoka bekuthi uthatha lesinqumo nekuthi if bongosithathanga ngabe ukuphi nyalo nawe cabanga.
Yeah. You know what I would say? What is so important about change? Yeah, is to know that ngakubeka kahle ngesizathu.
Any language.
Mbana ngithi ukuthi wathi ukuthi uyabona lesigaba lokiso. Na usakhula. Awuyeli kiso. Understand? So that is how change is important. Ukuthi the stage lokiso when you grow, you see. Once you grow to another stage, you're never going back to the stage. You understand? Lobo giso, you understand? So the thing is that let us change people because we're growing out there. Nimbala nje Mr. Banel. You know ukuthi ngalenye ilanga ngiyobe mhlawumbe ngingumnumzane ngihambule nawe ngubita ngesibongo ubitwa ngesibongo kuphela like yabo le hlobo likanjalo ukuthi isathi ukuthi ezisikhula you grow up you not stick on one stage you sticking on one stage yabo when we grow we just grow up we never growing down lesigaba lokiso uyakhula. So like life is all about planning because kunetigaba lesothi attempt ngembili. So now usola ungashintshi wena ubamba isigaba sinye ungako sibambelele yabo. While singabuki ukuthi ngathi siyakhula umfuna kakhula kufuna ngathi angabala kufuna ngibe nemvana yabo njani njani kufuna ngibe nelikhaya yabo kufuna ngibe nani understand yabo. So, but yeah, when we grow up in stages, we grow up in stages and stages. So we grow up.
Yeah, shout out. It's very important to show kanjalo and I hope bantu labasha young people bayalalela nasekhaya ukuthi le mpilo yasekhaya shows kahle ukuthi ngihlale ekoneni ngibhizinisi yakhe ba kahle ayibhadali. I see. That's what we are trying to say kahle.
One time my brother because ugcine sobona lo lahlile and futhi ubona nalo lahlile yabo ugcine sewonisekile uhlale unakile manje thank you my brother.
Sure. So say sum up nje maybe Nyalo indlela ngifuna ngiva ukuthi MCO Jamrock Nyalo sifiso sakhe yini la ifisile utibona ukuphi in future yini lokufisa inhlitiyo ya MCO Jamrock nya?
Yes. I wish and I want and I'm asking people to support MCO Jamrock out there. Support my music out there. Like I'm gonna bring more music out there. Like I still want big support from all the people out there. Like musically, I'm gonna give it all. Blessed.
Shout out SEO Jamrock. Uyatholakala ku TikTok,
man.
Facebook, Instagram.
Instagram.
Stawufaka tonke tinto.
Yes,
Mhlambe
sir.
khona yini indlela lesishiya kulofisa ukuthi uyisho MCO Jamrock singalivala ihlelo.
One time, it's only that people shall be ready for the new EP. It is coming soon out. It is coming soon. And the thing is, Isekolula is out there in audio, in all the TSPs. And the video is coming soon. Isekolula. So, like, a lot is coming.
Ngabe ngiyaganga nangathi siyivale ungamshayi singamhlabeli isija ngiyakubuta ngiyakuphendula.
Shit.
Angishayele line le. And bobuta abantu bophendula abantu bokususela kuphi lo?
Like Bengbuta lo music because it was like a question from the music. Where? Okay, I'm jumping on you.
Oh, okay. Angishayele ke. Clean one nje. Ngishayele nje ngiyakubuta ngiyakuphendula.
Ngiyakbuta. Shit. Uyangbuta. Ngiyakuphendula. Namuhla ngiyavuka. Thula buka buso sula. Tindlebe vula. Ngiyakhuluma. Buka ke ngidakufuna. Yeah. Ngesing dakchua. Nwaya galuma. Nangulo uyaqubuka. Bless.
Kunemjita lo ihlabelako lapha. Ubuta ihlabela. Urepresents elcast lakho yake lekubaleka. Uyambona iyabaleka. Shout out guys, please make sure you subscribe, hit the
man.
notification button. Njengoba shito guys, make sure you invite us to your sport. Noma ngabe ukuphi la kangwane, we'll just be making a tour. Sivakashele ama-sports ama-Swati. You know what we mean. The podcast is for the people. Ngikhumbula ne-comment out ngifisa kubona abani. Sitokhona kwenta iplan yokuthi sibabone. Sibathole, sibalethela hlelweni. Bengina MCO Jamrock namhla la kuMawalala. Shout out to Impala Creative Vulana. Shout out to the collective na Art Visuals bonke balana. And sitawufaka nawo ama-details abo la. Siyabonga kakhulu nje futhi supporters, young people, silana, and I wouldn't be able to do all of this ngaphandle we team. So we're grateful guys, and we'll see you guys on the next episode. Subscribe.
Blessed. My brother.